Estée Lauder shares surged more than 10% in after-hours trading Thursday after the company announced it had terminated merger negotiations with Spanish beauty conglomerate Puig. The deal, which had been in talks since March, would have combined two of the most prestigious names in the beauty industry into a single luxury powerhouse valued at nearly $40 billion. That valuation would have brought together brands like MAC, Clinique, Byredo, and Charlotte Tilbury under one roof. But the deal never reached finality. A key sticking point was Charlotte Tilbury's minority ownership stake and the company's demands for renegotiation, with the talks now officially off the table. Estée Lauder's stock climbed sharply in response. The market's reaction was immediate and clear. Puig's shares fell nearly 13% in early European trading after the merger termination was announced. This sharp drop suggests that investors had been bracing for a deal and were now recalculating the value of both companies independently. For Estée Lauder, the move signals a strategic pivot. The company now plans to focus on its internal transformation initiative called Beauty Reimagined, led by CEO Stéphane de la Faverie. That initiative is likely to shape the company's future direction in the absence of a major merger. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Initial announcement of the merger had already sent Estée Lauder's stock down by 10%, as investors weighed the risks and potential benefits of the deal. The subsequent surge suggests that the market may have been skeptical of the merger's success from the start. Analysts have since weighed in, with RBC Capital Markets analyst Nick Modi expressing relief at the termination. Jefferies analyst Charles Brennan also noted that the deal's collapse may have been a positive development for Estée Lauder's long-term strategy. These reactions highlight the uncertainty that had surrounded the deal and the clarity that now follows its cancellation. The beauty market is highly competitive and constantly evolving. Consolidation is often seen as a way to strengthen brand portfolios and streamline operations. But in this case, the challenges of aligning two major beauty empires proved too complex. Estée Lauder's decision to walk away from the deal may have been a strategic move to avoid diluting control or absorbing too much debt. Puig, on the other hand, may now face pressure to find alternative growth strategies or partnerships. The broader implications of this event are still emerging. The beauty sector is closely watched for signs of consolidation and innovation, with Estée Lauder now focusing on internal transformation. The company's ability to execute its Beauty Reimagined strategy will be a key factor in its future performance. Investors will be watching for signs of progress in product innovation, market expansion, and brand positioning. Meanwhile, Puig's stock reaction suggests that the market may be reevaluating the company's standalone potential. The beauty conglomerate still holds a number of high-profile brands, including Carolina Herrera and Paco Rabanne. How Puig chooses to move forward could have ripple effects across the luxury beauty market. One of the next signals to watch is Estée Lauder's quarterly performance, the company's ability to deliver growth. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And innovation without the support of a major merger will be a key indicator of its future strength. Investors will also be looking for updates on the Beauty Reimagined initiative and how it aligns with current market trends. The next signal to monitor is Puig's response to the merger termination. Will the company seek alternative partnerships or double down on its own growth strategies? The beauty market is dynamic, and the next few months could bring new developments that shape the industry's direction. For now, Estée Lauder's stock movement suggests a shift in investor sentiment and a renewed focus on internal growth.